अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, हम जा रहे हैं आज हेक्सागोनल नट को सीखने कैसे ऑटोकैड में ड्रा करते हैं। तो हमें सिर्फ तीन डायमेंशंस याद रखने हैं। एक तो है डी, 2D और 1.5D। स्टार्ट करते हैं विद टॉप व्यू। पहले एक्सिस ड्रा करते हैं, उसके लिए हम लेयर करेंगे स्टार्ट बनाने की सेंटर लाइन। दूसरा लेयर ड्राइंग सेंटर लाइन लेयर का। सेंटर लेयर का हम रखेंगे कलर ऐसा। एंड कंटिन्यूस तो हमें नहीं चाहिए, हमें सेंटर लाइन चाहिए। तो लोड करके सेंटर लाइन करके सेंटर लाइन इसमें सेट कर देंगे। और ड्राइंग हमारी डिफ़ॉल्ट रहेंगे। पहले हम सेंटर लाइन ड्रा करेंगे। इसके अलावा और एक लेयर हमें चाहिए होगा डायमेंशंस का। तो डायमेंशंस का लेयर जो होगा वो ये होगा, कंटिन्यूस लाइन टाइप होगी कंटिन्यूस। और डायमेंशंस हम ब्लू में देखेंगे। इसके अलावा हिडन लेयर भी हमें बरकरार होगा। तो हिडन लेयर का कलर हम ऐसे रख देते हैं, मे बी रेड। और जो होगी उसके लिए लोड करनी पड़ेगी हिडन लाइन। हिडन को सिलेक्ट करके ओके। तो हमारा करंट लेयर जो है वो है सेंटर लाइन का। पहले हम सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं। तो यहाँ से कहीं भी से हम लेंथ लेंगे। अगर हमारा डाया है 30 तो लेंथ तो होगी फिर 2D होगा 60। में भी हम लेंगे 80 लेंथ सेंटर लाइन की यहाँ से। और UCS आइकन को नो रीजन में सिलेक्ट करके और and from here it is not tracking, so we'll just press shift and right click temporary track point in this track. So we'll go to this height 30 and then in the ortho on position by pressing F8 we'll draw this. So this is it. Our center lines are now set. Now we will go to the drawing layer and we'll just try to build the top view. The top view has 2D and D face to face. So we will start circle with radius. So we'll hit a diameter of 60 because 2D. So here is a 2D circle. We can extend the lines a little bit. So now we are going to build a hexagon inside it. So we'll go to the polygon and select 6 sides and choose the center, inscribe, and this hexagon is ready. Now we'll choose another circle that tangentially meets the sides of the hexagon. The another circle which is the whole of the nut, which is having a dia of 30, so radius will be 15. So our top view is ready. Now we will draw certain arrays. Go to the layer, tracking. This is tracking. This is only for the tracking purposes. Maybe this color and this may be dashed. We may use dash dots or dots. Simply dots. Select the dots. Set this current. So we'll go to the draw menu. There we will select array. The upward direction. Draw rays here again. The upward direction. Mirror these in this direction. Now another ray in the upward direction. So our rays are ready for the front view. So we'll go to the front view. We will select the layer as drawing. Since here this the scale dots, we will increase the line type scale. For that shortcut is LTS. We will change it to 10, so these are a little bit visible. So for the front view, we'll just go to the view and just draw a line in the horizontal direction. We'll trim this line at the right and left. Now we will offset this line by D. So offset O through D, which is 30. Drag the line towards the upper side, and there you have offset of 30. Now the middle radius is 1.5 times D. So we will draw a circle with radius 45. Radius 45, 1.5 D, and we will move this circle top, move its top to the top of this line, and then we will trim this circle. Select all lines and trim the two sides. Delete the lower portion. We got this. Now we will again draw a ray which is extending both ways through this point, and we will shift this ray to the tracking. Now we will draw a circle passing through 3 pointers. This point, and I am holding a shift and right click middle point between the 2 pointers, between this point and this point is the second point, and the third point is this. So again we will trim this circle. This portion is not needed, this portion is not needed. Erase. Then we will draw a line from here to this, from here to this, and we will mirror this portion. MI for the mirror. Just select the axis and it will be mirrored. So our front view is complete. Yes, now we have to move to the side view. For the side view, again we will go to the draw, raise in both sides, this in this direction. Sorry, again we have to shift it to the tracking, and again track line along this in the horizontal direction, again moving it to the tracking. So for the side to side distance, if we are going to see the side view, we have to see that the side to side distance has to be measured. So we will measure with dimension linear from this point to this point, zoom it. So we will go to the dimension style, modify. In the fit type scale, we'll change to 12, and primary unit is to be placed to the decimal precision of this. Okay, so this is 51.96. So we have to draw two lines at 50. We will draw first line from this. We will offset this 51.96. Sorry, offset 51.96, 51.96, and drag it to the right. We got the two sides. The third is the middle point. So we will draw a line. We will drag the point, midpoint between the 2 points, between this point and between this point, and up to temporary drag point. Sorry, we'll We know the height 30 is. We'll enter the 30. Now we have this portion ready. Now we have to draw again a circle that will pass to 3 points. This point, middle of this point, and this point. Again, this is the first point. The second point is a midpoint between this and this point, and the third point is this. Again, we have to trim this. So our arc is ready. We'll complete the top portion. We'll mirror this with the help of mirror command. We'll mirror this with the help of mirror command. We'll complete the side view. Again, you can see that sorry, this to be deleted. We can see that that the holes will look in the hidden line portion at a distance of d 15. So d is 30, so we have to got to be 15 on either side. This point has to be put here. So we will go to the hidden layer. We'll draw a line from, drag the first point from this. We'll offset this 15, this line, and to the right, and transfer these two lines to the hidden, and extend this, extend these lines to these edge, extend. So select both lines and extend it. So our side view, everything is ready except that dimensions have not been drawn. So we'll go to the annotate tab and select the dimensions as radius. So current layer is to be dimension layer. So radius, we need radius of this line, radius of this, and the radius of this line. The distances that we have to measure are linear distances such as that of this face, each to each distance, which we have already got. The dimensions tab. All should be on the dimension layer. What's happening is we have currently choose dimension layer, so annotate tab dimension. So we can continue this dimension, this, this, and this. Again, we have to draw the linear dimension here. Go to this dimension, continue the dimensions. We'll go to the linear, select the radius of these two lines shouldn't be there. Anyways, showing the middle point. Dimension line. So dimension style. So will be symbols marks. You can just adjust to the ISO and above. So everything is clear, I think. And the radius of these two has to be established. Maybe we can disable now tracking layer, lock it and disable it. Can extend this center line to this. And we can name them. We can increase the dimension style by in the modify tab fit min and maybe 15, and we can use the primary units with decimal precision of 1, and we can use suffix as mm. So it's 40.12.2 mm. Dimension here. Just this. Okay, one more dimension we need is this 30 mm and is in this 30 mm. So everything is ready. We can now name views with dt command dimension text. So we can set the height of the text to be like this and the direction of text to be written in this direction. So I will say this front view, top view, and this side view. Of course, you can add a rectangle to this for printing purposes later on. And here you can give drawing details. Copy this CO here or with t text dt f8 on height of this. You can just control create caps lock. Choose here PDF high quality print and choose here ISO A4 display window. the control P Autocad, yes, window, let's just once window here, you can here get more plot, background, spot transparency, क्वालिटी प्रेजेंटेशन रखेंगे और इसको ओके करेंगे, डेस्कटॉप पे सेव करके हेक्सागोनल नट सेव करके, अगर आपके पास पीडीएफ रीडर है तो ये खुद खुल जाएगी प्रिंट होने के बाद। It's going to take a while because we have kept the quality high and it has been printed. Sorry, it's not. This is hexagonal nut and this is the overall details of your drawing. You can zoom it and you can see the quality.